Why is speaking English so slow for you? Because you're not thinking in English. You're translating word by word from your language to English, and that's killing your fluency. Today, we fix that. By the end of this video, you'll start thinking in English, not translating, thinking. I'll give you a simple exercise that rewires your brain, and at the end, I'll share the one habit that makes thinking in English automatic. This might be the most important video you'll watch for your fluency. Stay with me. Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English podcast. I'm James, and I'm here to walk with you on your English journey. Today we're working on one of the biggest problems English learners face, translation. The constant back and forth in your head. It makes speaking slow. It makes you hesitate. It kills your confidence. But today we're going to change that. We're going to train your brain to think directly in English. Before we start, relax. This isn't difficult. It just requires practice. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. Let me guess what happens when you speak English. Someone asks you a question, you hear it in English. You translate it to your language in your head. You think of an answer in your language. You translate it back to English, then you speak. Am I right? That's 4 steps. 4 steps that should be 1. No wonder it feels slow. No wonder you feel stuck. But it doesn't have to be this way. Here's the truth. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. When they see a dog, they don't think dog in their language, then dog in English. They just think dog. When they're hungry, they don't think I'm hungry in their language, then translate. They just think I'm hungry. The word comes automatically. And you can train your brain to do this. It's not magic, it's practice. Here's how we're going to do it today. I'll say simple thoughts. You'll repeat them and you'll visualize them. Don't translate. See the image. Feel the feeling. Say the words. This connects English directly to meaning. No translation needed. Ready? Let's rewire your brain. Imagine you're waking up. Think these thoughts in English. Don't translate, just think. It's morning. See the light coming through the window. Say it. It's morning. Good. It's morning. I'm tired. Feel that tiredness. Repeat. I'm tired. Perfect. I'm tired. I need coffee. Say it with me. I need coffee. Good. I need coffee. What time is it? Now you. What time is it? Great. What time is it? I don't want to get up. Repeat after me. I don't want to get up. Perfect. I don't want to get up. Okay, let's go. Your turn. Okay, let's go. Good. Okay, let's go. The floor is cold. Feel it. Say it. The floor is cold. Excellent. The floor is cold. I need a shower. Repeat. I need a shower. Perfect. I need a shower. The water feels good. Now you. The water feels good. Good. The water feels good. What should I wear today? Say it. What should I wear today? Great. What should I wear today? Notice how that felt different? You weren't going back and forth. You were just thinking in English. That's the difference. You're connecting meaning, directly to English words. No translation. Let's keep going. Look around the room you're in right now. Name things in English. Don't translate, just see and say. That's a wall. Look at a wall. Say it. That's a wall. Good. That's a wall. That's a window. Repeat. That's a window. Perfect. That's a window. That's a door. Now you, that's a door. Great. That's a door. There's a light. Say it. There's a light. Good. There's a light. I see a chair. Repeat after me. I see a chair. Excellent. I see a chair. The floor is, what color? What material? Say it. The floor is perfect. My phone is on the table. Now you, my phone is on the table. Good. My phone is on the table. It's quiet here. Say it. It's quiet here. Great. It's quiet here. I like this room. Repeat. I like this room. Perfect. I like this room. It's a bit cold. Your turn. It's a bit cold. Good. It's a bit cold. You described your environment in English without translating. This is how fluent speakers think. They don't translate the world around them. They just see and name things in English. Their brain works in English. And now yours is starting to do the same. This is real progress. This is the breakthrough. Keep going. Now, let's think about how you feel. Connect feelings to English words directly. I'm happy right now. Feel it. Say it. I'm happy right now. Good. I'm happy right now. I'm a little stressed. Repeat after me. I'm a little stressed. Perfect. I'm a little stressed. I'm excited about something. Your turn. I'm excited about something. Great. I'm excited about something. I'm bored. Say it. I'm bored. Good. I'm bored. I'm hungry. Repeat. I'm hungry. Excellent. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Now you. I'm thirsty. Perfect. I'm thirsty. I'm curious. Say it. I'm curious. Good. I'm curious. I feel good. Repeat after me. I feel good. Great. I feel good. I feel tired but motivated. Your turn. I feel tired but motivated. Good. I feel tired but motivated. I'm proud of myself. Say it. I'm proud of myself. Perfect. I'm proud of myself. These are your feelings in English directly. No translation needed. When you connect emotions to English words, something powerful happens. English stops being a foreign language. It becomes part of you, part of how you experience the world. Let's continue. Think about what you did today or what you're going to do in English, real time. I woke up early today. Say it with me. I woke up early today. Good. I woke up early today. I had breakfast. Repeat after me. I had breakfast. Perfect. I had breakfast. I checked my phone. Your turn. I checked my phone. Great. I've checked my phone. I have a lot to do today. Say it. I have a lot to do today. Good. I have a lot to do today. I need to finish something. Repeat. I need to finish something. Excellent. I need to finish something. Later, I'm going to rest. Now you. Later, I'm going to rest. Perfect. Later, I'm going to rest. Tonight, I'll watch something. Say it. Tonight, I'll watch something. Good. Tonight, I'll watch something. Tomorrow, we'll be busy. Repeat after me. Tomorrow, we'll be busy. Great. Tomorrow, we'll be busy. I hope the week goes fast. Your turn. I hope the week goes fast. Good. I hope the week goes fast. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Say it. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Perfect. I'm looking forward to the weekend. You're narrating your life in English. This is the skill. This is what fluent people do without thinking. They live in English. Their internal monologue is in English, and now yours is too. Do you feel the shift? Something is different now. You're not translating anymore. You're connecting meaning directly to English. This is how fluency works. Keep practicing this every day. Now let's practice thinking your opinions, your reactions, your thoughts. I think this is interesting. Say it with me. I think this is interesting. Good. I think this is interesting. I don't like that. Repeat after me. I don't like that. Perfect. I don't like that. This is amazing. Your turn. This is amazing. Great. This is amazing. That doesn't make sense. Say it. That doesn't make sense. Good. That doesn't make sense. I agree with that. Repeat. I agree with that. Excellent. I agree with that. I'm not sure about this. Now you. I'm not sure about this. Perfect. I'm not sure about this. That's exactly what I think. Say it. That's exactly what I think. Good. That's exactly what I think. I never thought about it that way. Repeat after me. I never thought about it that way. Great. I never thought about it that way. I need to think about this more. Your turn. I need to think about this more. Good. I need to think about this more. My opinion is ... Say it. My opinion is ... Perfect. My opinion is ... Now your thoughts are in English. Your reactions are in English. You're thinking in English, not just repeating, not just translating, actually thinking. This is the breakthrough most learners never have. You just had it. You experience what it feels like to think in English, not translate. Think. And the more you practice this, the more automatic it becomes. Until one day you realize you're not thinking in your native language anymore. You're thinking in English. That's fluency. And it starts with this habit. Morning narration. Every day in English. No translation. Just direct thinking. This habit changed my English. It changed my students' English. And it will change yours. Start tomorrow morning. Actually, start tonight. Before bed, narrate getting ready for sleep in English. Every single day for 30 days. Watch what happens. If you felt this shift today, comment thinking in English below and tell me, what's the first thought you had in English today? Write it in the comments. Practice writing it. If this helped you, hit the like button. Share it with someone who's stuck translating. Subscribe for more episodes like this. Next episode, English for job interviews. How to speak with confidence. We'll practice the most common interview questions. How to answer them perfectly. How to impress employers. Essential if you're looking for a job. You don't want to miss it. I'm James from Talk Easy English Podcast. Talk easy, grow strong. See you next time.